Hey y'all, the kids are starving. Let's go make some homemade lasagna. First, brown you up some ground beef. While the meat's browning, pour you half a bag of mozzarella into a large bowl. Then add you an entire jar of Parmesan style grated cheese. Add you 2 eggs. Add you 2 of the 15-ounce ricotta cheese. Add you some seasonings. I'm going to put garlic and cheese. Some Italian herb. And some garlic and onion. Give this all a good mix. Here's the consistency you should have. Go ahead and pick you 2 24 ounces of your favorite sauce. Today we're using the 6 cheese and marinara. Don't forget to season your meat. We're using the garlic and herb seasoning. Drain the meat and put it in a large bowl. Today we're using whole grain Rotini noodles because we're out of lasagna noodles. I'm going to cook these up and we'll be back. Pour both jars of sauces into your hamburger meat. Now give it all a good mix. The noodles are done. We're going to layer the bottom of the pan with some spaghetti and meat sauce. Just use a nice thin layer. Next, go in with the layer of the noodles. Now we're going to take that cheese mixture we made earlier and spread a layer on top of that. Now just repeat the process. When you get to your last final layer, top it off with the rest of your bag of mozzarella. Okay, you guys, she's ready for the oven. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Look at it, you guys. It looks so amazing. It's almost ready to eat. I'm so excited. In the air fryer, we also made garlic toast. Woohoo! Anyways, you guys, that's how I make lasagna with rotini pasta. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow me for more recipes.